morning, good afternoon. How are you doing this morning? I hope all is well. Okay, I am here this morning. I'm going to show you. I'm going to cook make some chicken, which I already washed, and I'm going to show you how I season it. All right. So I'm going to put some curry, not really curry chicken, but curry with browning. I'm going to mix the colors together, mix all of them together, and I'm going to show you how I cook it. And I have some food. I'm going to cook some food, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. All right. So watch my process. Yes, my subscribers and viewers. Yes, I have my meat here. All right. And again, I say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing it. You're so nice. Tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my cooking channel. Alright. So over here I have my chicken, which I already washed. Alright. So I'm going to season it and let you see. And I have my ginger, all-purpose seasoning, and my salt. And as I say, I'm going to put curry and browning together. And this is my cayenne pepper. This is my oil, my banana, and my carrot. I'm going to put carrot in my chicken. Alright? And I'm going to cook 2 dumplings. So watch as I go. Watch the process. Alright? So I'm going to start my season. So I put a little ginger in it like this. Can you see it clearly? Alright? And this is my all-purpose. And a little tips of salt. Alright. And a little cayenne pepper. Just a little like this. After, I'm going to put my other seasoning like my scallion and whatever. So I'm going to do this first. Alright. You can see I already cut and wash. Alright. See, all right, and over there I have my pot. Let me show you. You can see this is my browning. I'm gonna need this spoon here. You can see I'm putting a little browning on it. I'm going to put a little curry. It's not burning. I'm going to burn the curry. Just a little bit I'm going to put. You can see just a little bit of curry. Alright, this is it. And I'm just going to pour it on it like this. And my subscribers and viewers, how is it going so far? I hope all is well. And remember to put God first in everything, because God is our center of our life. You can see it's a browning mixed with the curry. Alright, so watch as I go. So I'm going to shake it like this. I have a cover here. So I'm going to shake it like this. Alright. So I'm going to put my oil in my pan. So watch as I go. You can see my pot here already. So I'm just going to grease, not just grease like this. See my oil all getting there. Just a little grease, no big oil, just a small. So you see my curry brown chicken, okay? Guys, remember to put pimento in your meat. I put pimento behind the scenes. Alright? So I'm going to keep a little water in it, just a little. I'm not going to let it stay there. Just a little water like this. See? Just a little water. So it's curry browning chicken. Alright? And let it stay there. Because there's not much oil in it and there's not much water, add the tip a little in it. Alright, so it's curry brown chicken. Alright, so watch the process. Put it a little bit more, let it get a little grease. Alright, so watch as I go. And I'm going to put 2 little corn in it. Okay, and my carrot. Put in the 2 corn I have here. And you put whatever fruit you want to put in. I have corn, I buy corn at the store and freeze them. So whenever I'm cooking, the corn make your meat taste better. Alright, so this is it. You can see there. I'm going to put a little water because there's no water in it and there is no oil in it. So I'm going to put a little warm water in it. You can see? Alright, stay there. So this is my curry browning chicken. Alright, so you can try it. And guys, put a piece of ginger in it. Put ginger in your food. Okay, so as you can see, this is my caramel dumpling. This is my water. Tell me where you're watching from. Do you like my videos? Alright. So I put my salt in already and everything. Not much. You don't have to even put salt in your flour if you want to. But you make it taste better still. Because salt is in the pot already. And thanks again my subscribers and my viewers and my loved ones, my family. Thank you again. I love you from my heart. Remember, I love you. You can see. Dip a little bit more in it. So it's caramel dumpling. And I'm cooking my lunch for work. I cook my lunch and bring to work. So I'm here cooking now to bring my lunch to work. Okay. So you bring your lunch to work. If you're working, do you bring lunch? I bring my lunch every day. Alright. So when I get home from work at nights, I don't eat no big food. I don't eat a lot of food. I just make a little taste. But I bring my lunch and that's okay for me for the day. So I'm going to cook 2 fingers of banana. Not 2 fingers. 5 fingers of banana for me and my family. And then take out my lunch, put it in a thermos. Like this is my thermos I bring to work. Alright. And it keep it hot all day. And I bring a bottle of water. Let me know what you bring for lunch. Alright? Let me know what you bring for lunch. And do you take lunch to work? Let me know. So I'm cooking my lunch and my dinner. So I just take out my lunch, leave some for dinner from the rest of the family. Alright, so watch my process. I have a carrot here. I'm going to put it in my chicken. You see me scraping? So I'm going to cut my carrot. Just going to cut it like this. And you cut whatever size you want to cut it. Carrots are good for your eyes and for your entire body. see my pot there? So this is my dumpling. I'm going to put a piece of fish tail in my pot. Normally when I cook bananas, I put a piece of fish tail in, or any piece of fish, doesn't matter where. So do you put fish in your banana pot or whatever? I always try to do this. Put a piece of fish in it, alright? It doesn't make your banana white. Also, I heard that you can put vinegar in your banana pot. Alright, let me know if you ever tried it. Alright, somebody told me the other day. Alright, so here is my banana. Which one do you put in first? If you are cooking both, banana or dumpling, which one first do you put in your pot? Please let me know. Alright, me, it depends. If the banana is soft, I put it in last, and if the and if it's hard, I put it in first. Alright, you can put your dumpling in any time. So this is my dumpling. You can see? You can see my dumpling there? Those are my dumplings. Alright, just watch as I go. So let me know which one you put in the pot first, either the dumpling or the banana, or it depends. And sometimes the dumpling, then they can be the banana can be very, very hard. And my curry brown chicken is cooking over there. I'm going to show you now how I peel my banana. And remember, don't put your banana in any cold water, put it in a boiling water. And this is my banana. And over here I have my seasoning. So let me see if my bananas are hard. This is how I peel my banana. Alright. You can see? This is my banana. And give me a thumbs up, man, if I'm doing well. Give me a thumbs up. Alright? My viewers and my subscribers, I hope all is well. Okay? That's what is my process. So I proceed. So my pot is boiling up. And as I say the saltfish, it make your water white, so it doesn't your banana doesn't get black. And you can put your banana in the skin. In these countries, people don't, they put the banana in the some people they just put the banana in there with the skin, just like that. But I don't do it. I peel my bananas. So let me know if you peel your bananas. Alright, just let me know. This banana, the skins are very thin, very, very thin. Very, very thin. You can see. So this is my pot, you can see. That's my pot boiling. So I don't have to put any salt in it. Guys, when you buy your food at the store, wash them off. Always wash your food. That make some bacteria on the outside, so you always wash. Alright, so this is my food pot. That's it. Alright, just watch as I go. Putting up my seasoning. tell me where you're watching from today. And where are you watching from? I'll use a smaller knife. The big one is going to cut me. Alright. This is my seasoning. This is my seasoning. You put whatever spice you want to put in your chicken, alright? You can make it spicy, whatever seasoning you want to put in, alright? So this is my browning curry chicken, alright? Alright. And my banana is over there cooking. My fish, my banana. Alright. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing my pots. Okay, thank you very much. So this is my finished products, my curry browning chicken. Alright. And I dropped 2 corn in it and carrots. So you can put whatever you want to put in it. And over here, guys, my viewers and my subscribers, I have my banana and dumpling. And let me know which one you put in your pot first, the dumpling or the banana. And you can drop a piece of saltfish in it. So this is my saltfish. I put it on the side. So when you put saltfish in it, you don't have to put any salt. Alright, so this is my finished product. Alright, tell me if I'm doing the right thing. Alright, thank you very much for viewing my channel, and thank you very much for subscribing also to my channel. Thank you very much. Blessings and peace unto you all. See you in my next video. Alright, so this is my brown stew curry chicken, okay, and my dumpling and bananas. Thanks for watching. Blessings. See you next time.